Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create an AI avatar in Canva for free. In the past, you may have tried to create a talking AI avatar video and may have been disappointed by the quality. Well, I'm excited to bring you this tutorial as you'll be amazed by the quality of the Canva AI avatar videos. All you'll need to do is create an account on Canva, which you can do for completely free. Once you have created your account, you could select videos. Then from there, you can select the dimension that you would like to use. So for example, if you would like to create a TikTok video, you could tap on TikTok video. If it is a case that you would like to create an Instagram reel, you can select that. For this example, I'll be creating a 1920 by 1080p X video. After you have selected the video dimension, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll be provided with a blank canvas. All you'll need to do now is go over to the left-hand menu option. And by the way, with Canva, you are presented with two different options that you can choose from to create your talking AI avatar video. You are going to tap on Apps. After selecting Apps, what I want you to do next, you could tap on the search bar at the top and type in hygiene, or you can simply scroll down. Then from here, I want you to select hygiene. After selecting hygiene AI avatar, you will be redirected to this dashboard right here on the left hand menu option. You can tap on see all for choose an AI avatar. Then you could scroll down and you can select any one of these avatars that you would want to use. You can see that there are numerous options you can choose from, as you can see right here. So you can select male or you could select female, and then from there you can scroll down and you can select the one you'd like to use. Let's say for example this one. Then you will tap on use. Keep in mind that we can also upload our own photo and turn it into a talking AI avatar. I'll be showing you how to do that also. But if we were to use one of the pre-created ones, so you can either select this one and you'll be able to change the background, or you could use one like this that has a preloaded background. Then after doing that, you can select the viewpoint. So you can select the view mode, whether you like it to be that style or this style. You can select it right there. So let's say for example, we were to select the landscape style. After you have done that, you can scroll down. You can either enter your text prompt right here, or you could tap on audio and from there you could upload your own audio file, or you can choose to upload your script. So we're going to tap on text. After selecting text, I'm just going to be selecting one of these pre-written texts right here. Then you can scroll down and you can choose a voice. So we'll tap on see all. After selecting see all, you can select the accent or you can select the accent or the language that you like to be spoken. As you can see right here, there are numerous languages that you can choose from. And you can tap also right here where you see all locals and you can select a particular accent right here. We'll simply tap on male. Then for example, we can listen to a few of them and select which one we think is best.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope.
Hello, this is how I sound.
So you can scroll down and you could go through all of them. For this example, I'll simply use this one. Then we'll tap on use. After you have selected use, you're going to scroll down. And then from here, you could tap on listen your script, or you can simply tap on generate AI video. We're going to tap on generate AI video and then see how it sounds. So you can see our video is being generated right there. While it is being generated, I'll be showing you some other AI features that Canva also has. So all you'll need to do is go back to your home page. From the left hand menu option, you're going to tap on Magic Studio. After tapping on Magic Studio, you can scroll down and you will have access to all of the AI features that Canva now has. So for example, you can use Canva to create an AI presentation if you want. You can also use it to create videos, as you can see right there. And you can also use it to write script if you want by using their Magic Write. But to use their Magic Write, you'll need to be on the paid plan. But majority of these features you'll be provided with credits, which you can use even if you're on the free plan, as you can see right here. They also have a text to video feature, and they have the text to image feature also. So there are numerous AI features that you can choose from, as you can see right here. So they have teamed up with Dale E. While that is being generated, we're going to tap on apps from the left hand menu option once more. After selecting apps, you're going to scroll down, and then from there you can select Didi right here. After doing that, you will simply scroll down and you're going to tap on open, as this is another platform that you can use to create talking AI avatar. So you could tap right there. After you have done that, you can see the different presenters that you can choose from. So you can select any one of these options. You can tap on see more. Then you can scroll down and you can select any one of these presenters that you would like to use. So let's say, for example, I were to select this one. After you have done that, you can scroll down, and then from here you will be able to enter the text, or you can upload your own voiceover if you want. You can also choose the language by tapping on choose language, and you can see the different languages that it is able to speak. You can also choose a voice by tapping right where you see choose voice. You can select any one of these voices. After doing that, you can scroll down, and then from there you could preview the speech by tapping on preview speech. So let's do that real quick.
Welcome, friend.
After doing that, you can tap on generate presenter. Then I'll sign in, so let me do that real quick.
Welcome, friend.
And you can see it right here. If I were to pull this out, or simply tap on the three dots, tap on set video as background, then tap on play.
Welcome, friend.
You can see it right there. The only thing that I don't like about it is, although you are presented with 19 credits, so with each video, depending on the length, you are provided with, you'll use a credit. Even though it still provides it with watermark right there, it still presents it with watermark, so I don't like that. To remove the watermark, you'll need to go onto their paid plan. But now let's go back to HiGen and see how its video generation is going on. So you can see right here, it has now been created. So we're going to tap on add page, and we're going to be adding this to our page. So let's do that real quick. You can tap on add to design. After I've done that, I'm going to tap on the three dots, and I'm going to tap on set video as background. By looking at this, you can see that HiGen is a way higher quality. By simply looking at this, you can see that HiGen is a way higher quality. And if I were to tap on play,
Nice to meet you. I'm your presenter today.
it does look way better, as you can see right there. So for example, let's play both.
Nice to meet you. I'm your presenter today.
It does look very realistic. And third, but definitely not least, let's go back. We're going to tap on apps once more from the left hand menu option. Let me show you real quick, deep reel. So you're going to tap right here. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now is tap on open. After selecting open, from here you'll be able to select the talking AI avatar head that you'd like to use to create your video. So we'll tap on connect, and then from there you're going to create an account, or you're going to sign up. If you already have an account, you can sign in. If you don't, simply tap on enter your email right here, and then tap on continue. Head to this dashboard. From here, you'll be able to choose your presenter, so we could tap on see all, like any one of them to your liking. As you can see, there are multiple options that you can choose from. So let's say, for example's sake, we were to select this option right here. We'll simply select the first option that we see right here. but you can see that there are numerous other options that I could have chosen from. After doing that, we'll tap on See Less. Then you can change the background color, so you can select any one of these background colors that you like. After changing the background color, you can also change the aspect ratio. So whether you like it to be square or landscape, you can select from that option. Then right where you see type your script, you can enter your script, and you can see that you can enter up to 900 characters, as you can see right there. So what we'll do, we'll simply type in welcome to my channel. Let's do that real quick. After doing that, you can tap on select a language, and we'll be selecting English, but you can also see that there are numerous other languages that are available. After doing that, we'll tap on generate video. So we're going to do that real quick. Then from there, you can see the video is being saved. But the only pullback with this platform, or better yet this software, compared with the other two that we have used earlier, you can see that it normally takes up to 10 minutes for a video to generate. So we're going to see how long this one will take. So you can see the video has been generated. All we'll need to do once we have added it to our timeline, we'll tap on the three dots, then tap on set video as background, and I'm now going to play it so you can see how this talking AI avatar looks.
Welcome to my channel.
So you can see these are the
Welcome,
three different
friend.
options. So let me play them once more, and then from there you can select which one of these softwares or apps you think is the best and which one you would like to use. So here they are.
Welcome, friend. Nice to meet you. I'm your presenter today.
Welcome to my channel.
Personally, I think the last two are the best ones and the most realistic. Or I would say the last two definitely, but I'll definitely think that the one by Hygen, this one right here, is the most realistic, but the last one can also be used. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.